Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. Today I'm going to show you how you can also do what I call my purple goddess eye makeup. So let's start. As you know, it gets too hot and humid in Delhi right now, so I'm just going to dye my hair. I've prepped my eyelids with concealer and some loose powder, and now I'm going to dip in my Beauty Creations eyeshadow palette. For my transition color, I'm going to mix a beige and peachy coral shade and apply it above my crease. I've taken a fluffy eyeshadow brush for easy application, and I'm just concentrating the pigment in and above my crease. Now I'm dipping a smaller blending brush in a cool toned pinkish purple shade and concentrating it specifically on my crease, making sure it all blends together nicely. Next, I'm taking an eyeshadow palette called This Is All I Need by Tann Beauty, and I'm picking up an intensely packed purple frost cream pigment called Wild Love and packing it on the outer corner of my eyelid with my finger. Now from the same palette, I'm taking another pigment called Highlight and packing it on the middle and inner portion of my lid. Can you see the glow right now? Taking my smaller blending brush, I'm going over everything to ensure that all the colors and pigments on my eyelids are perfectly blended together. Now I'm taking Kohl, a black eyeshadow, and creating a smudged wing liner with the help of an angled thin brush to make very light and thin but buildable strokes. Now don't worry if you mess up, because we will be able to clean up if anything goes out of line. Taking my flat concealer brush, I'm cleaning up the line of my wing and going over with the eyeshadow again to make it perfect. Wing liner is a process, guys. Have patience. Now taking highlight again, I'm highlighting my inner corners and brow bone. Now with my Huda Desert Dusk palette, I'm taking the color Amethyst and blending it on my lower lash line to complete my purple eye look. For my blush, I'm taking the color Bed of Roses from Tann Beauty and using it on the apples of my cheeks. For highlight, I'm taking Warm Hibiscus Flower Pot from Flower Beauty to highlight my cheekbones. And for lips, I'm using the high-tech matte lipstick from Forever 52. And now we're ready! I loved creating this eye look. It's fresh, glowy and beautiful. So please let me know if you liked it in the comments. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.